Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a real easy cloth mask out of an old t-shirt, and you will not have to do anything other than get a pair of scissors, a Sharpie, or some writing utensil, and we'll show you how to do this. It's real easy. This part of the shirt here, just the bottom of the shirt where it's stitched, this is going to be the primary. That's what we're going to be cutting out. So here we go. What you're going to do, here's the front of the shirt. We're going to cut all the way through, right up the middle, like this. It's real easy. You just cut right up here. It doesn't even have to be pretty. But it'll give you a double layered cloth, which is kind of what they're asking us all to do. And so you cut here. Like so. Okay. Because what we want is this part down here, right? So this is what we want. And that spreads it out, gives us a wide swath, basically making a bandana. Kind of. And you kind of want to cut it as best you can at kind of an angle. And so this will kind of keep your lines decent if you just run something like this. A little Sharpie through, like so. Like I say, it definitely doesn't have to be fancy. And this will just kind of keep it from getting too cattywampus when you cut it. And you kind of match up these two. Like so. And this one, like so. Okay. And we'll level it out here. Basically like that. That just gives you a baseline to cut from. And now you just cut it. Like I say, you definitely don't have to be exact, or it just gives you kind of a rough way to go. Yeah, wife always gives me a hard time about all my old t-shirts. Well, she's having a hallelujah breakdown right now. Alright, so as you cut her on through, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of gives you your basic here. And there you've got your little bandana. You fold this over. This will give you the double layer right here. And you're just basically gonna pinch this. So maybe a look at me. Go like that. So you've got that pinched, and basically you put that on the bridge of your nose. That works perfect. And it'll tie normally, so you don't have to add any ties. And there you go. So you got your cloth mask. If you got a bunch of t-shirts, you can make a ton of them. And anyway, so that's about it. Pretty simple. Awesome.
I was born depressed and I end up in one big mess and trip around it,